Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The product I am going to review today is the Body Shop Drops of Youth Concentrate. This is the Body Shop's best selling product as one bottle sells every 27 seconds and 99% of its ingredients are from natural origin. It's a completely vegan product and Body Shop products are not tested on animals, which means they are cruelty free products. And this youth serum is a daily dose of youth for all the people. And this product comes in a 30 ml packaging, and the one I am showing you is a 7 ml sample of that bottle. The shape and everything which is in this 7 ml is available in that 30 ml as well. This serum is dermatologically tested and is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. And as claimed by the Body Shop, this product gives a very healthy and bouncy skin and a youthful skin which helps in regenerating your skin. And it also is claimed by Body Shop that it gives a boost of hydration to your skin. As you can see this product, when I say about the content of this product, it's a thick gel like concentrate. So I should just give a glimpse of this product, that how this product looks from inside. As you can see that there is a dropper given in this product. So very high end products, very high end cosmetic products and skin products have this dropper thing in them, and which is a very good point from hygiene point of view, as you can see. And just show you what this product is like. See, this is a transparent gel like consistency, not very thick gel like, but still, as you can see that it gives a very good shine. It's not oily, it's gel like, so that's why it won't clog your pores. You can see this. It gives a quite a good shine on the skin. Yeah. So how we have to apply this product is after washing your face with a good quality face wash, then you can take 2 to 3 drops of this product. That would be sufficient enough, and apply apply it on your face, and let it sink in your skin for a few seconds. And after that you can apply your moisturizer or anything of your beauty regimen which you do every night. And this can be used in a day as well. You can use it in morning as well on a clean skin, but before applying the SPF. So it like after doing all your face wash and cleaning and all things, after that just 2 to 3 drops of this product would be sufficient to cover your face and neck. Give a little bit of massage to your face, and after that you can apply your SPF and you are good to go. So I highly recommend this product as I have used it on my skin as well. And as claimed by the product, yes, it does give a youthful skin and a very healthy and bouncy look to my skin, and I really like this product. It's a little bit on a higher end. When I come to the price of this product, it's around 2800 or 2900 rupees for 30 ml, but it's a very good product, and if Body Shop is claiming that it's their best selling product, then I must say they are quite true to their claims. So you can definitely buy this product from the Body Shop outlets near your home, or you can buy it from websites of Body Shop or maybe Nykaa as well. They are providing quite good discounts on this product. So I also want to add that this product reduces the fine lines, and I recommend to everyone to add serums and anti-aging products like these to their skincare regimen once you cross 28 years of age, in order to slow down the aging effect on the skin and to have a healthy looking skin. So if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll be meeting you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.